Hello, and welcome to the training on how to apply for internal positions within Boys and Girls Club of King County as current employees of the organization. So we start off as already logged into our Cornerstone employee portal. There are two different ways to access internal job postings. There's the internal job search widget here on our homepage. It's very straightforward. You enter in the word that you're searching for, and you can click search. Maybe I just want to peruse a list of openings right now. So I'm going to come over here to the second option called the Career Center. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And I'm just going to click this, only include open jobs, no parameters. Maybe if I were looking for a specific location, I could enter that and search. So I see a nice full list of what's open right now within the organization. On the right-hand side, we can see they're all open. I'm just going to go to this top one here, Administrative Assistant. Sounds good to me. The responsibilities seem adequate. I can see that there are two different locations for me to apply for, North Seattle and Club Service Center. I think I'm going to just apply to this Club Service Center one. And when you click the apply button, it actually pops up this secondary screen where the application is completed. So I'm going to show you a little bit about what our application looks like right now. These are our pre-qualifying questions. They tell us, are they authorized to work in the United States? Have they already been fired from Boys and Girls Club before? And if they have a felony on their records, because that would disqualify them. Resumes are required, and cover letters and references are suggested, although we don't require that they have that for submission. You can use your LinkedIn page to apply. Most people upload a resume or CV from the computer. You can write or paste a resume right into the feature. Not necessarily recommended. I'm going to go ahead and hit upload a resume, and it's going to pull in that information. No cover letter. Again, you can write a cover letter right into the system. Other documents would be if you have copies of certificates or licenses that you would like the hiring manager to have right off the bat. I'm going to go ahead and hit next. And this next screen is what they call parsing. So the system recognized certain portions of this resume and pulled it into roles and experience, education, and certifications. These edit columns buttons let you edit the columns that are there. So there's no company name. I'm going to put in admin services, and I'm going to select a role for it. Maybe it's office manager, sure. And submit. And so you'll see those two rows updated. And so you can edit whatever you like. This check the box says it's going to update my profile. So the system will recognize your resume next time you go to hit that apply now button. Have you ever pled guilty? No. Arrested? No. Why, yes, I am a current employee. I like working here. Asked to resign. How did you hear Career Center, since that was where we went? Submit final answers. And now we get into the EEO portion. So we ask these questions, although we do say that the hiring managers have no visibility into this, and it will have no effect on how applicants are chosen. And so I'm just going to go through here and select random items and hit next. The application statement, it just says that it's true to the best of my knowledge and that I am aware that I'm applying for a position with Boys and Girls Club of King County. This final communication disclaimer goes over adding positiveplace.org to the email safe senders list. Since we're already employees at Boys and Girls Club, that's not really a problem because we are positiveplace.org emails. And so submit application. So once you've applied, it'll take you back to this description page for the job that you applied for. You'll notice at the very bottom, administrative assistant for its Club Service Center is now indicating that I've applied for it. Another way to follow up on your applications is in this Applications tab. If you click here, it will take you into a little bit more information. You can again click on the link here. Anywhere that you see blue, it's a clickable link. Application status, when I applied, and then at the very far right, there's this wonderful little arrow. And what this arrow does is it withdraws you from consideration for a position. It will email the hiring manager and let them know that you have chosen to withdraw from consideration for a position. So if you no longer want to pursue something in downtown Seattle, maybe you move, whatever, you can use that to help communicate with the team what's going on. And so that is Career Center in a nutshell. If you have any other questions, please watch other videos for Cornerstone or contact the HR department for individualized trainings. And thank you for your time.